In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shop all to your menu on BigCommerce. This simple and efficient process will only take about 5 minutes of your time, and by the end you'll have an easy way for your customers to browse through all of your offerings at once. First, make sure you have access to BigCommerce. Head over to the BigCommerce website where you'll find the login option. Click on that, and when prompted, enter your email and password. Once you've added your credentials, click login to access your dashboard. This is your administrative home base on BigCommerce where you have control over your store settings, including products and categories. If you aren't logged in yet, take a moment to do so now so we can proceed with the steps to enhance your online storefront. Once you're on your BigCommerce homepage, you'll want to navigate to the section labeled Products. It's located in your main menu or dashboard. It's where all your product related settings and information live. Clicking this option will lead you to another set of options. From there, look for the Categories option. This is an important hub for maintaining and organizing how products appear and are grouped in your store. Now, in the Categories section, you'll want to locate the Shop All category. If you haven't set up categories, make sure you do so in advance. The Shop All category is crucial for any online store because it allows customers a straightforward path to view all products together without navigating through multiple categories. When you have found it, select Shop All and make sure it is set to Enabled. This is typically done by checking a box or clicking a toggle to indicate that the category is ready for public viewing. Now that you have enabled Shop All, let's take a moment to ensure everything looks correct on the public facing side. Return to your main dashboard and select View Storefront. This action will open up the public version of your store where you can see it just as your customers do. Breathe a sigh of relief knowing that all your hard work is paying off, as the Shop All option should now clearly appear across the menu of your storefront. And there you have it, Shop All has been successfully added to your storefront menu, making it simpler than ever for visitors to explore your entire range of products. This small change can make a big difference in user experience, leading to better engagement and potentially more sales. Don't forget, periodic checks to ensure that everything is functioning as it should on your store can boost efficiency and give your customers the best experience. So go ahead and enjoy the ease that comes with having an organized and comprehensive menu for your store. Thank you for watching and happy selling on BigCommerce.